Welcome to day 14 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Today, we're going to refresh our calendars. So grab whatever calendar, planner, or anything that you have been using, and we're going to fill it up for the remainder of the month, which is essentially the next 2 weeks. You're going to want to have planned this week and the following week at all times. This will be the beginning of what essentially is our desk day. In the FlyLady system, there are different focuses for each day, and this is one piece of one of the focuses. So go get your calendar and be sure to write down any upcoming events, birthdays, commitments, appointments, you name it. And don't forget to plan something fun for you as well. I've noticed every time I plan fun little goodies for me throughout the month just gets so much more fun. So I encourage you to do the same, and also for your family. It just makes things so much more exciting. And so far, we have been shining our sinks, dressing to shoes, doing a 2-minute hot spot, saying kind words to ourselves all day, doing a 5-minute room rescue. We've also been doing 15 minutes in our zones. That is 15 minutes of decluttering, because we can't clean clutter. But speaking of cleaning, we have also added a cleaning mission. Be sure to check that every day on the FlyLady calendar, or join the Homemaker circle if you want to do it along with us. After we've decluttered, we also rest for 15 minutes. Do not forget, this one is super duper critical. Even me, I'm working on this as well. And we've also been picking out our clothes the night before. Now, after doing our calendars, we're going to check our calendars. So be sure that wherever you keep your calendar, whether that's on a planner, your phone, or a physical calendar, be sure that you're checking it every single day. Get your tracker down below if you haven't done so already, and put it somewhere: morning, afternoon, evening, whatever works for you. But let's be sure to add that to our habits, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 15 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.